Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can change the background color of HTML document using JavaScript. Okay, so what I want, I'll create here two buttons. I'll create here two buttons. One is dark mode and second is light mode. So when I click on dark, it should convert into dark. Okay, so like that. So first, let me create button. Button one is for dark mode. Okay, and see, dark mode is coming. And another button I'll create. This button is for light mode. Okay, so dark mode and light mode. So when I click on this dark mode, it should the background color should be converted into dark. Okay, light, when I click on light, so it will convert into the light mode, means white. So what I will do here, I will write one function. I will use one attribute which is on click. Okay, here I will write like I'm writing here dark. I'm creating one function which is dark. Okay, and this function definition I will write inside this app.js. So what I will write here, function, what's the function name, dark. And inside this function, what I will do, first I will fetch this body. So how we will fetch this body, I'm writing here id as bdy. Okay, we can fetch by tag name also, but id is most recommendable. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here id. So what I will do, I will write here document dot get element by id. What is the id name? bd by. Okay, id name is bd by. Okay, we will fetch the body, right? And I will store this inside what? Inside a variable. Okay, so let b equals to, right? And after that, what I will do, when someone click on this button, so what should happen, this body color, body background color. So I will write here, okay, so what I'm writing here, I will write here b dot style dot background. Okay, background, and c capital background color. Okay, and here I will write background color is what, black, right? So when I click on this button, dark mode button, it is converting into dark. Okay, it is converting into black color. So if you don't want black color, so what you can do, you can use this color as well as 333. Okay, so it is converting in this black mode. Okay, dark mode. And when you click on light mode, it is not converting into light mode. So what we have to do, we have to create here one function. Okay, on click, we have to write on click, and I'm writing here light. Okay, and see, if you will write here light, so it will not work. Okay, light button is not working because we didn't define the definition of this function. So here in JavaScript, what I will do, what is my function name? Function keyword, function name is light. Okay, then what I will do, let b equals to document dot get element by id, and I will write here b dot style dot background color. The color equals to what? Light, I mean white, right? So we will do like this, the dark mode, and this is light mode, dark mode and light mode, right? Okay, so we are writing this line again and again, same line. So instead of this, what we can do, we can make it global. Okay, we can make it global means we can write this outside the function. We can write this line outside the function. Okay, so we don't need to write this line again because b is global. Global means this b is available for this dark function. This b is available for this light function as well. What we are doing, b means b is nothing but body. Here we have body tag now. So we are changing body tag background color. Okay, using function. So this is how we are able to change. It can convert into dark mode. It can convert it to light mode. You can create another button like red color. You want to convert background and red color and green color. Like that you can create. Alright. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will see more about HTML, JavaScript DOM manipulation. Right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.